Then we have MuleSoft Composer. So MuleSoft Composer is something, you are somebody which is non-technical, and you do not know what and how everything works. But what you know is that whenever a lead is created or whenever a Google form is filled, I want that record to be created in Salesforce leads, and I want myself to be notified on Slack channel. You know what you want. So you will simply go to MuleSoft Composer and you would be simply providing all of that information. Like, I want this to happen. I want this to happen. And you would be able to do that because it's a simply point and click. You would be able to linking your Google Sheets and your Salesforce and your Slack, and then you will be getting all of that. I will be giving you a demo of a similar scenario itself only. You can do much, much more than that, but just a high level idea. But yeah, these are some of the things that you can do with it. No code integration, pre-built connectors we have. Pre-built connectors involve Salesforce, Workday, Azure, Jira, and a lot of them. I don't remember all of the names. You can see some of the name over here itself only. My bad. I didn't see the screen. Yeah, and then we have automated workflows. Next up, I would be showcasing you. I would be showcasing you the Composer part. So for the Composer one, I need to log in. I didn't realize I got logged out. So just give me a moment. I would need an authenticator. Just a moment. Yeah, I'm all set. So in our scenario, I have created a MuleSoft Composer, which is basically what it is doing is it is simply taking a record as soon as it is created in Google Sheet. It is simply taking that record, creating a new record inside Salesforce, and then notifying the same on Slack. So I have this over here. So if you can see, yep. So I will be giving a new entry. Tester.com. So now what will happen is the MuleSoft Composer will simply take up this data, create a record inside Salesforce, and also notify us on Slack itself only. So it will take some time to do that. And once it's done, we will have a notification on Slack itself only from the MuleSoft itself only. So if I show you, meanwhile this is happening, how easy it is to create it. So Google Sheet to SF. So this is a simple flow that we can create where we have created a trigger on new row in Google Sheet. As soon as a new row is entered, it will simply create a record inside Salesforce. I have specified what data to go where, like age will go over here, email will go over here, first name, last name. And then I have also specified the Slack message which would be sent. So a Slack message would be sent as well. So we can simply see how easy it is to create, and there is no code involved into it. And then we can use certain templates. As I mentioned earlier, there are lots and lots of templates that we can use. So there are templates for a change request in Salesforce associated with Jira requests. So as soon as Jira issue is updated, we want to update a record inside Salesforce, we can do that. There are hundreds of templates available that you can use according to your needs, and you can obviously create them on from scratch as well. Like if I click on from scratch, it will create a flow for us, and you can specify whatever you want to do, like which system event you want to trigger it on, Salesforce, Sage, Microsoft 360, Google BigQuery, Marketo, whatever it is, you can do that, and then you can specify what action needs to happen and all of that. Just a second, I think it might be working. Just a second, I think Slack is not hacked. Yeah, so as you can see, the record has been created, Micros has been created. If I go to the patient information, and if I refresh the record, not the recently one, but the all one, yeah, you can see at 9:28 a record was created. This is the record. So yeah, this is MuleSoft Composer, and you can use it as per your needs, and you will have that information.